Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
State Vice President jong ka BJP Bernard and Marak ubadeiru UMDC ka BJP Natura haka khalai tarik uyayong arja apen rio la penremjur halor ka jingsha Pynpra Durmot Durmot jong tra Jisu hayau Chinibang hau karwo khubor la pha sikilat pathai khubor umarak ula pentip badangshan wali jingo ya ka Chinibang bad ya gisnong bamarjan gibla syakta dangshan na ka jingakan at Bad laong bagi nong sang gila pentip sepangkani ke jingjia haga bagi laong ru ba amsyam la pentip sigilat patai kubor lani segi bor sensar. Ulaong ba wat la kamdan setia kano no jing ujor ijahar ndagi bor sensar kim syam la le halor kani ke jingjia. Ula pentip ru bon sa ujor yak ijahar bad ban bodien ya kani kam kenang baki brio ke dan keti kani ke jingjia kide ban ngat ha ke jingsya penstom kat kum ka an.
I strongly condemn the shocking and deeply disturbing desecration of the statue of Lord Jesus Christ in Chinibang main market. Today I was visiting the localities and villages around Chinibang area where the villagers has informed me that a statue was destroyed during the conflict. To my surprise, the statue was missing, but the hand of the statue was there, lying on the floor. And I was informed that the statue was actually dragged on the road and taken to some place, which I find it very shocking. And I feel that this is a deliberate attempt on the Christian community to create communal conflict. So I strongly condemn this act and I will file a FIR against this. And I want the administration, especially the police department, to take action on this. Thank you.